Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, Jenny Empire. You're welcome to this channel. Please like my videos, subscribe, and hit the bell notification just to get notified on each time we are dropping our new videos. Thank you. Now, without wasting much of our time, we'll go straight to the point. The matter we carry me come sit down here today. That is what I'm bringing. And it's about we single ladies and our relationships. Please, one man said that there are certain mistakes we single ladies make that he's dying to tell us. He's like he's dying to tell us, which he actually did. I mean, listening to these mistakes, I found out that this man is actually right. Who is this man in question? Pastor Kingsley Okonkwo. In case you don't know this man, he is a founding and lead pastor at one David's Christian Center Church. He's also the host of this popular monthly relationship seminar. They tag them love, dating, and marriage. This man said something, and I quote him. He mentioned 7 good mistakes single ladies make. But I just picked out 2 out of these mistakes to bring it to some of us that we are too busy to listen to all these relationship talks, to listen to all this relationship advice and marriage advice. Maybe one way or the other you will just come across my post and you will get to know. And in case you need more of this, just follow him up. He's on Instagram, he's on YouTube. But I singled out these 2 because they really made sense to me. I'm like, this man is actually an eye-opener to we single ladies. To a lot of single ladies that are out there, this is an eye-opener to so many of us. This man, he said, as a single lady, that making yourself too available. He said making yourself too available. It reduces your value as a lady, as a woman. He made another striking comment, which till if I'm sleeping, it will be ringing in my mind. It keeps ringing in my mind that this man is something else. So the way we just they look him like he doesn't know what is this man is something else. He's actually a mind opener, an eye opener. This man is said you making yourself too available for a man, it drains the man emotionally. Hey, imagine that you that is a lady, you love attention. You want the man to always be available for you. Now the reverse is the case. That you making yourself too available, it drains the man emotionally. How about that? For real, let's look at it, analyze it. Well, if you didn't find the full gist from my mouth, I'm not gonna give you the full gist. Because of our time, we need to make this video very short. So I can't give you the full gist. So simply go and ask Pastor Kingsley Okonkwo for the full gist. Now you get the whole story. You understand? Now you get the whole story. The second one he made, in case I'm not forgetting, he also backed it up with Proverbs chapter 27 verse 7. The first point I made, which he said, making yourself too available for the man. He backed it up with a Bible verse. In case some of you will be asking, where is your reference? Where is this? Where is that? He made a reference to Proverbs chapter 27 verse 7. And the second one he made mention of again is, he said, note, you as a single lady or as a married woman or whatever it is, note the relationships that you should end. Hey, is somebody hearing me this evening? Note the relationships you should end. He said, especially this X, all these X's, you should note it. Open your eyes and know why somebody will leave you. The person deems it fit that, oh, you're not worth spending the rest of his life with, and yet immediately he leaves you, notices that you are doing well, boom, he wants you back. You check him now. No be juju be that. No be juju be that. Like my sister, anywhere you are, please open your eye. This second one, he also backed it up with Proverb 31 woman. I don't know why I keep calling it Proverb 33. Is there any other thing that this woman did in Proverb 33 that I keep calling Proverb? He made reference to Proverb 31 woman. He said, as a good woman or as a single lady that wants men running to you, that you need to build yourself spiritually, you need to build yourself financially, you need to build yourself domestically, you need to build yourself mentally, you then need to build yourself physically, and then build yourself emotionally. And lastly, he said you have to build yourself socially. One cannot work without the other. In case you feel that, oh, I'm beautiful, I can speak good English, I went to school, and you did not back yourself spiritually as a woman, I'm sorry. In case you don't know what Proverbs 31 woman is saying, just go and read it. You have your Bibles. So please, as a single lady, please try. Let's all try. Let's try to, carry ourselves in certain ways that will make men to know, oh, it's not just about sex that we can offer. We can actually offer a whole lot of things. It's just that we ladies, most times we don't know what we carry as ladies, as women. We don't know what we carry. That is why we demand ourselves that we cannot offer any other thing except sex. No, we have a lot. We have a lot built inside. Oh, I'm beginning to sound like this pastor already. Please ask Pastor Kingsley Okonkwo. He will give you in details. Yes, so it don't finish from my mouth for today. Our next episode, the second episode, I will just be bringing to you. At least there are a lot of questions men should ask you if they are serious with you. But I'm just going to bring just two to our doorposts, just so you know that it's a woman. You have a lot. You have a lot inside of you. When you do not utilize these opportunities as a woman, you lose a lot of things. There are a lot of questions a serious man will ask you if he's interested. Please do watch us out for our next episode and get the glimpse of it and get the details of what you want to know about these questions. But then I'm not promising anything, I'm just promising just two of it. And I will tell you who to ask again. I'll tell you who to ask so that you can get the full details. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like what you see. Please, if you do like what you see, just hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.